we had our open house, if I recall correctly, it was in December, first part of December. The day before our open house, we get a call from Fran Haggerty with the Family Women's Health and Family Planning Services, or Family Planning Association, and she talked to the then CEO, who came to me and said, we're not going to get Title X funding. Now, I had been told that they had already been approved for Title X funding. And the other staff members there had been told that they had already been approved for Title X funding, and to just start keeping track of it, and it was going to be a go. And I said, well, how much money are we talking about? She said $150,000. I said, okay, why? Well, she said because she doesn't know the board of directors. And it's a new organization. Well, we were the day before our open house, and I thought, she just doesn't understand, and I'm going to be able to clear this up. So we went ahead with our grand opening, and then after the grand opening, I called her, and I kept calling. We had someone scheduled to go to the training. We got emails, make sure you register somebody to go to the training. We registered somebody to come to the training, had somebody planning to go. It was a requirement to receiving the funds. So I'm calling and calling and calling. And finally, the last time I called, I said, look, I need to know whether to put somebody on a plane or not. And finally got a call back from her. And I remember it vividly. I was over at our Creative Learners location trying to talk to her, and she kept saying, we don't know you. So, and I went through and explained, okay, it's the same legal entity, it's a different name, and it's a different board of directors. But it's the same tax ID number. The entity is liable for the same things it was liable for before. If you look at the Secretary of State's office, it's the same charter number. So we don't know you. And we went through this several times. And finally she said, well, are you saying that you're a Planned Parenthood affiliate? And I said, no. She said, well, we agreed to give money to a Planned Parenthood affiliate. And you're not a Planned Parenthood affiliate. I said, well, I didn't know that was a requirement. Well, we just don't know you. And I don't care what the Secretary of State's office says. We don't know you. So these are federal funds. She said, we're the Title X grantee, and we can give that money to anybody we want to.